Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be discussing how to become a Whop affiliate and earn commissions by promoting products. So let's get right into it. So Whop affiliate program lets you earn commissions by promoting digital products or services from creators on the platform. You get paid for every successful sale made through your affiliate link. It's a great way to earn passive income by sharing products that you love. So, how do you become your affiliate for a Whop? Follow the on-screen instructions. First, head to your Whop website and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, create one, it's free. After signing up, you'll have to access our list of affiliate products that are available to promote. These can include ebooks, courses, software, and more. Browse through the catalog to find products that align with your audience or interest. Now that you have got your link, it's time to start promoting. You can share your affiliate link on your blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, or even through your email newsletter. Now, as you start making sales, you can track your commissions and earn earnings through your Whop dashboard. Every time someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you'll see a new sale in your affiliate account. And that's it. Becoming a Whop affiliate is quick and easy. Start promoting, track your sales, and earn commission today. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.